Chevy S10, it's GMC Sonoma, steering problem. This got a lot of play in it. I'm trying to take it out right now. I've done some research. So we got the fan shroud out the way. Fan shroud's there, top, bottom. And if you look down here, the power steering, you'll see a nut, which is where we got the ratchet in, and which is 5/8 or 16 millimeters. And there's an Allen screw down there, which is 3/16. So we loosen the nut, and now we're tightening the Allen screw, and we're going to see what happens. So what we're doing is moving the wheel back and forth just a little bit, turning it incrementally. I was told never to tighten these too tight. And our excessive play is gone for the most part. Yes, there is play, but a lot less. So we're just going to tighten it a little bit more. I was told to be careful of it. And my buddy said he did this, and it got to be an issue. He did it years ago. So it's right in the middle of the gearbox. So we're just going to tighten the ratchet and see what happens. Okay, so we did it one more time. The wheel's close. I'm not going to go overboard. I'm going to try another turn. You see my ratchet moving. You're going to use an Allen wrench. It's just easier fit there. And we're doing very small turns. We did about a turn and a half maybe. We're not counting. Too much will just really kill it. Yeah. There is play, but it's a minimum. That's all the play in there. So that pretty much took it out. I'm going to try one more turn. That's it. Half a turn. It's something to do with the gearbox, so I don't want to mess it up. And this thing was turning about a quarter of the way before it had any activity. All the front end pieces are newer. The customer spun this back and forth, and you couldn't see nothing happening. So that's definitely the gearbox. And obviously you see my results. So there's no special tools needed for this thing. It does tend to take out the 3 bolts for the fan shroud, 2 bolts on each side of the fan shroud, and we're able to sneak the fan shroud around without taking the fan out. And we're done. I'm quitting because at this moment, that's like no play. It's tight to turn that way. It's tight to turn that way. Yeah, it's pretty good. It's not perfect. You got a lot more response to it. So hopefully that helps you, saves you from pulling the gearbox and going through all that nonsense. But don't get overboard and tightening it up. Now we got to tighten the nut with the wrench, and we used penetrating oil too before we even started to make sure we have no issues. And this is GMC Sonoma S10. Thank you.